guys, how's it? Treeness Life 89 Talk here, and just want to show you guys some bird feedings today. I'm gonna call wild birds by clapping my hands with a unique sound, and once they hear and they notice it, they're gonna start hanging around trees here, and then they're gonna watch me for a second, and then when they see me having food, they're gonna come over to this hydrangea tree branches, and then they're gonna come pick up, they're gonna actually call their friends and family first beforehand, picking up their food. Alright, let's do it. I'm gonna actually feed them sunflower seeds. Here, got a whole bunch of sunflower seeds. Now I'm feed them. There's already come over here. There's trees around here. They're gonna start calling. Hear the sound like that? That's the wild bird called the Yamagara. Alright? And I got some sunflower seed here. He's coming. And then they're actually calling their friends and family right now. Yeah, how's it? And it's awesome, right? Como friends and families. You guys want to try that? I think the brunch is done for today, and I think I'm gonna take off soon. But how did you guys like it? I think it's pretty rad. It's pretty awesome that we can actually experience such an incredible nature beauty like this. And here, more. Some more. And whoever's interested in feeling the nature through your five senses and hanging out with some birds and trees and all the natures here in Hinohara, check out Mori Sapiens. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit, and then we're gonna have fun. Alright, stay awesome and shoots. Right on. It's like they're saying thank you, like anytime, anywhere in the forest.